guys, welcome back with another video. This is me Aman and you are watching our channel Aman Official. This video is going to be so great because this is a part 2 of unboxing. Yes, I'm going to unbox a package which is from flipkart.com and it was delivered by ecart.com. The package is about the charcoal soap. It was sold by Barber's Club Activated Charcoal Soap, which is organic, and it costs around 249 rupees and it weighs about 100 grams. It usually takes 3 to 5 business days to get delivered. Just now I received this package from ecart.com and I thought it would be so great to make a video on this, and I made it. So guys, I hope you will love it and see how it works.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
So thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you will like this video and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our friends, and see you next video. Bye, take care.